Today in class we were subtracting unlike fractions. Here's a few samples for your homework. Let's say we have 1/3 minus 1/7. We have to have a common denominator, and in class today we used a method that we made up a name for called the Smiley method. So we'll use the Smiley method for this one, which is I'm going to circle my denominators, and then I am going to make my little smiley and multiply 3 times 7. And my new denominator is going to be 21. So I'm going to have 21 as a denominator minus 21. And now what I have to do is cross multiply. So I'm going to cross multiply 1 and 7, and I'm going to get 7 over here. So I have 7 over 21 minus, and then I'm going to multiply 3 times 1, and I have 3 over 21, and my answer is 4 over 21. Our next problem is 4/5 minus 8/15. So my steps are I look at the denominators. Is one denominator a factor of the other denominator? Yes, 5 is a factor of 15. So I'm going to bring down my 8/15 because I know that stays the same. And I'm going to multiply 4/5 times 3, and my multiplier is 3 because 3 times 5 is 15, and I have to have the same denominator. We've been talking about this in class. And 3 times 4 is 12. So 12 minus 8 equals 4/15. Our last sample is 5/6 minus 2/9. So once again, my denominators are different, and I have to find a common denominator. So for this one with 6 and 9, I'm going to make a table, or we could make a factor tree that we did in class today. And if I take my multiple, 6 times 1 is 6, 6 times 2 is 12, 6 times 3 is 18, 6 times 4 is 24. And then I do my 9s, my multiples of 9. 9 times 1 is 9, 9 times 2 is 18. I can stop right there because I have 18 and 18. So if I make my denominators 18, I then multiply 5/6 by 3 is my multiplier, and I get 3 times 6 is 18, 3 times 5 is 15, so I have 15/18 minus, and for 2 my multiplier is 2 right here, so I go 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 times 9 is 18, of course. And then we have to finish our problem by just saying 15/18 minus 4/18 is 11/18. And we're done. This should help you with your homework. Good luck, and I'll see you tomorrow.